Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Lady T's Things That Bling. And today I'm going to make a jewelry display out of some Dollar Tree items. As you can see here, I'm using this sign from Dollar Tree. It says Farm Fresh Pumpkins, and I actually used two of those signs. I used the sticks from the signs, I should say. Here you see me painting the sticks, and they're going to both be painted black. Although I don't show me painting both of them to save time, I did paint both of them black. And I did paint both sides of them for continuity. Now, as you can see here, I have two pieces of wood, and I painted both of them black on both sides. And now I'm putting the frame together. I did the top part. Now I'm showing you how I did the top part by putting the bottom part together. And there you see me using wood glue as well as hot glue because I want a permanent hold, but I want an instant hold. And y'all, I'm doing this from our new apartment. Yes, I am. I'm loving it here. My husband's loving it here. So now you see that I put this together and everything's black. I'm pushing it down so that glue can really hold, okay? Now you see I'm going to put this black organizing tray that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm using E6000 to glue it to one of the wooden planks that I adhered to the sticks that I got from the Dollar Tree sign. Now so far everything except for the hot glue and the E6000 is from Dollar Tree, so it's kind of easy on a budget. Now you see me using these tumbling towers from Dollar Tree, and I'm putting 6 of them, gluing 6 of them together lengthwise because I will be using them again later on in the project, and you'll see. So I put them together with the Dollar Tree wood glue because it adheres faster to me. And you'll see it later. Now I'm using the shelf liner from Dollar Tree. You know, the shelf liner, the mesh liner from Dollar Tree, to add it to my jewelry display. And that's a tack right there that I used to tack it to the side of the frame. We'll tack the side down of the frame, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Now, when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're pulling the shelf liner very tight because you're going to be using it to hang your jewelry on. Okay, you see the tacks right there. I was trying not to use too much heavy hardware, and that was the easiest way for me to do it. So here I am trying to put tacks at the top as well. Now that tray that I put at the bottom, I thought it was really a good idea because I know sometimes I don't feel like hanging up my necklaces or hanging my earrings up, and that organizer down there at the bottom is a great idea. So there you see me pushing the tacks in, and my hands are cooperating with me pretty good today, you know. All right. Now we have the shelf liner on, and now I'm just trying to tack it to the back. I had a little problem there using the tacks and those pieces of wood that I showed you because it's actually thicker, but I got it done. But you can also hot glue it if you want to. Now see those sticks right there? I colored them black. Remember, I did the 6 pieces from the Jenga blocks or the towering tumbling blocks, and I'm putting it at the bottom underneath the organizing tray on that piece of wood that I used to put the sticks together. So I'm putting that under there, and I'll show you why. Now I'm putting picture frame hooks at the bottom of there so that I will be able to hang up my necklaces. They can hang from those hooks. And yes, the hooks are gold, but you really won't see them after I do what I do. So it's just something that you know is there that you can hang your necklaces on if you don't, want to put them somewhere else. Just hang them on there. So I'm taking the E6000 and I'm spacing it out so I can put those picture hangers on there, those picture hooks on there so that I can hang my necklaces on. Now it took me about 3 days to do this because I kept changing my mind and then things weren't working and a couple of supplies I didn't have. But honey, when I tell you I got it done, I was so happy. Now you see how the hooks are hanging there. Now it's time for the bling. I didn't have enough bling, so I had to cut the bling in half. And it's really actually 6 rows across for each piece of bling right there. It's really long, so I had to cut it. But I didn't want to leave my, my jewelry thing. I didn't want to leave it, I'm Lady T, things that bling. I got to put some bling on it. What you thinking? You know it's true. So here I am taking you through the boring process of me cutting the bling in half. And I did that to another strip of bling that I had as well. So now I was leaning up against my wall. And I'm just going to show you real quick how I put this bling on here. And it's really self-explanatory. But I put the bling on there. And then after I put it on there, because it didn't stick, of course it wouldn't stick to the wood. But I went and I hot glued it to the wood. The mesh, you see right there? I'm hot gluing it to the wood. Just because I don't want it to be loose. So I turned around and did it to the next side. Same thing. And I'm sorry this is out of view, but I'm trying to get used to my new crafting space and I don't have my cameras set up correctly. So I'm doing the same thing. I'm just gluing it down like that. And now I'm going to put the bling on the bottom. And I'm also going to do it on the top. And I'll put some glue on the ends instead of the whole thing. And then I did the same thing to the top. And here you see me trying to cut that, but I just folded it over to the side and left it like that. My hooks were coming off because I was moving it and standing it up and it wasn't dry yet. But I fixed it. Now I put the bling on the top. And now I'm putting bling on the organizer. I'm putting it on there because I couldn't leave it like that. Lady T's things that bling. So here we go with the tray all blinged out. Now this looks plain, okay? It looks plain, but it still looks good because it blinged out. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you what it really looks like. All right. Now I'm showing you on my room door, my closet door in my room. And here you see, I'm showing you some of my earrings that I've hung up on the jewelry hanger. I love it. See the earrings down the the left at the bottom? Those are courtesy of Joyce McTeer. Now I'm putting the earrings in the tray, a bracelet, and some rings. See how convenient that is? One-stop shop. Just put all your jewelry in the same place. I love it, guys. It's unique to me, and I'm happy with it. Tell me what you think. I just think it's beautiful. Thank you for watching, and tune in again next time. Don't forget to like and share and comment.